Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today on Pilates with Amanda's YouTube channel. We're going to be doing stretching with a friend. All you need to do is grab a friend. I've got one here. Hello. Hi Kelly. Hi YouTube. We're going to sit and have your legs open. This is great for prenatal. I'll add some information about that too. So Kelly's going to lean forward and I'm going to lean back. You want to make sure that you're giving all your body weight over to gravity and to the person. So you have to pull on them and they have to pull on you so you get the deepest stretch. And as she rolls forward, she needs to keep her butt down. And then she's going to roll her spine up vertebrae by vertebrae, and I'm going to let my head go. And I'm going to give over to gravity. And she's going to pull, and I really feel it in my inner thighs. And you sit up tall and again, so the tailbone goes under. I'm leaning back, she's leaning forward. And tuck that pelvis under as much as you can. You might even feel like your back will crack. And then roll your body forward, shoulders are heavy, letting them basically pull away from my ears. And then we roll our spines back up, sitting up tall. One more time, pelvis rolls under. She leans forward, her tailbone is anchored into the mat, and then my body starts to move forward. She rolls back, breathing into the stretch and sitting tall. Now we're going to cross our legs. You're going to grab back onto your partner's forearms and you're going to make circles with your body. I'm going to lean back, she's going to roll forward. I'm going to go back towards my right side and then lean towards my left, and she's going to lean backwards onto her right side and then leaning back to her left, and you're basically just making circles with your bodies, feeling the stretch, and keep pulling onto that person and letting yourself just give to gravity. Ooh. And 2 more each direction. You can let your head go if you feel good about it. And reverse it. So she's leaning back, I'm leaning forward, moving and grooving. Letting it just feel nice. Getting a good stretch. If you're pregnant, just let your belly hang in front of you and just let it go.
Maybe nice heavy pelvis.
Nice heavy pelvis. Your baby might feel like you're dancing and it's fun. They're enjoying it.
They're swirling around.
They're definitely swirling in the amniotic sacs. Now, mermaid positions. One leg goes back, the other leg goes forward. We're doing opposite directions, but we're actually doing the same leg.
So left leg forward, right leg back.
Exactly. And then you grab onto your partner's forearm, you reach your opposite arm up and over, pull on their arm and lean back, open your chest, feel this awesome stretch, and then sitting up tall, grab onto their other side, reach up and over, drop the shoulder, let your head go if it feels good. Inhale into your side body. Keep those hips down to the ground. Reach up.
You can play with your head.
Yeah.
Where you're looking.
Yeah.
And notice that each side might feel a little different.
And one more after this. Look down. Look up. Sit up tall.
And we switch sides.
Yep. Switching sides, everybody. Moving through it. So now you're going to grab on and reach up and over. Try and open your hip if you can and lean back. And then sitting up tall.
That was nice.
Whew. Opening. And you can even lean back like this.
Yeah.
That feels good. And then switching.
And you notice like the more you hang and the more you give into your weight, the better the stretch is for both of you. So don't be afraid to lean away. And
it really makes a huge difference. So just let it go.
And maybe you need different angles.
Yeah. Then we're gonna do a little swivel. So, boop-a-doop-a-doop. You're going to be facing each other backside now. You're going to sit cross-legged, and you're gonna open your arms out to the side, palm to palm, and you're going to side bend the body. So your left shoulder is dropping, your heads are pressing into each other, you're reaching your arm up and over. Feel the stretch. Inhale through your nose, and exhale out your mouth. Oh yeah, feel the stretch.
All the way through your neck.
All the way. Honestly, these don't get old.
You can stretch the front of your throat.
If you lean back, open up that neck. You can even look down if you want. Reach up. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, reach up and over. Find the depth. Find where it hurts. And dig deeper into that side. Breathe into it. Feel it. Let your shoulder drop. If you're pregnant and you feel your body on the side really opening, give into that sensation. Really let your side body stretch. Now we rotate. So rotating, sitting up super tall. Hey, is
Whatever
for
works.
horses. So
Okay, let's
breathe up, bring your arms up overhead. Just feel, oh yeah, open. Press into each other's palms. Oof,
You
wow.
feel a nice,
In your armpits.
yeah, you feel a connection to your back.
Yeah, it's really nice. And press into the palm. Press, press, press. Good. Press your arms down. And now bring your legs forward in front of you. You're gonna let your head just drop and your feet pressing your back into your partner's back as you roll up. Try and move at the same time. Inhaling through your nose. Exhaling out your mouth. It's like you're giving birth. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I've never given birth. I've been to birth before. It was mine. And
Now we go forward back.
we're going to go back. So last exercise for this amazing stretch with a friend. Forward. Literally, I'm going to roll my body forward. And I actually decided to straighten my legs out. So now I'm getting a really deep hamstring stretch. Lower back stretch. I don't suggest straightening your legs if you're pregnant. If you're not pregnant, it might feel really nice. If you are pregnant, you can keep your legs on the floor, and if you want to open your arms as you lean back, go for it. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. Ideally, when the person who's leaning forward, they're the one who's going to help you get your head back up. So you shouldn't use your own weight to lift your head. You should literally let them do it for you. Good. There's less strain that way. Feel the stretch. Breathe into your back. Breathe into your sides. Breathe into all parts of your body. And exhale all the air out. Roll your spine up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Sitting up tall. Bring your hands to your chest. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, inflating your stomach and exhaling all the air out your mouth. Pulling the navel deeper towards your spine. One more, inhaling and exhaling. And there you have it, your Stretching with a Friend series. I hope you feel relaxed, calm, and ready to take on the rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.